Smartbox powerful solar generator, portable power charging station with multiple USB. Do you enjoy long road trips and outdoor activities? Then Smartbox solar generator is a must-have gadget for you, since it will definitely come in handy when you will be in the middle of nowhere. The solar power station kit includes both USB and AC outlets, so that you can charge the battery of your smartphone, tablet, laptop, and any other device. This power charging station with the bright built-in LED light is ideal for outdoor activities, long car rides, and emergency situations. Charge the powerful lithium battery and you're good to go. The portable solar battery charger works with a powerful, high-capacity lithium battery that only weighs 33 lbs. You can recharge the solar charger battery using a compatible solar panel, not included, and the sunlight a wall outlet, approximate 8 hours, the cigarette adapter of the kit and your vehicle or RV/camper. The lithium technology and battery management system, BMS, of the portable generator ensure that your devices will not get damaged. For your convenience, we have included a comprehensive user guide in the 100-watt solar generator kit. Get your very own Smartbox, it is completely risk-free. The solar battery backup is backed up with an 18-month warranty that ensures your complete and utter satisfaction. If there's something wrong with your new portable solar generator, contact our friendly customer service and we will make it right. This is the safest purchase you could make today, so don't waste another minute. Scroll up and click the Add to Cart button now. Charge multiple devices on the go. Charge your smartphone, tablet, laptop, and any other device, even when you're in the middle of nowhere. This solar battery charger includes both USB and AC outlets, as well as a built-in ultra-bright LED light function. Long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can recharge this solar generator in 3 different ways. You can either use a compatible solar panel, not included, a wall outlet, approximate 8 HRS, or the included cigarette adapter in your vehicle or RV/camper. Large capacity yet lightweight battery, Smartbox has a new powerful lithium battery that only weighs 33 lbs. Thanks to its lightweight design and handle, you can take portable power station with you when you go camping, or for emergency situations. Completely safe for your devices, the battery management system, BMS, of our solar power inverter backup undertakes voltage control, temperature control, and advanced safety operations, ensuring complete protection for you and your devices. 100% hassle-free purchase. Smartbox solar powered generator kit comes with an AC adapter, a car charger cable, DC to cigarette socket adapter, a user guide, a 100% risk-free 18-month warranty, and the friendliest customer service. Don't miss out on this deal. Smartbox powerful solar generator, portable power charging station with multiple USB and AC outlets, 100-watt emergency solar battery charger with ultra bright LED light for outdoor activities. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.